Meaning of guttural.
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 Guttural. The term guttural refers to a sound that originates from the throat or guttural region. This adjective is often used to describe speech that is harsh, rasping, or growling in nature. It can also refer to a sound that is produced in the back of the throat, such as the sound made when clearing one's throat. Additionally, guttural can be used to describe a language that incorporates these types of sounds into its structure. Overall, the term guttural is associated with sounds that are rough or harsh in nature, and are produced in the throat or guttural region.